Uncle T. Well, today it's the time for taking it in for its update, because the over-the-air update didn't work. So we have an appointment down at Volkswagen and we're nipping it in. The only downside to all of this is, unfortunately, we've got to have a courtesy car because of being stranded down there, and pound for a penny, it's going to be an ice. So we'll have to put up with that. But right, well, off we go then. So what's changed? Well, we'll have a look after the update. We did manage to get a courtesy car, which was a Polo, as you can see from the photo and small short video. Back to the story. So the update's been finished, and there are a few little changes that I've noticed immediately. So obviously a lot of you who've had the update will be able to fill in on other changes. Yes, on the previous video, yes, I did get an email or text message, I can't remember which it was, getting me to agree to the update. So yes, that was done. The update didn't work over the air. It didn't say anything after that. It just said install update, but it didn't do it. So there were no messages after that, and it was the garage themselves that got in touch asking us to take it down for the update to be done down at the garage, at the dealers. So it wasn't us that booked it in, just to clarify on that one. I might have mentioned it, but I just thought I'd mention it again just so that everybody knows what's going on. Right, well, we'll get to it. I'll just have a look at the front screen just to show you the immediate difference that I've noticed, and I'll leave it at that for now. Right, well, the first thing you'll notice is a little tiny VW logo just there. This appeared after the update. We appear to have a similar setup with all the icons here. Now, on the media side of it, I've been told that, I haven't tried it yet, but I've been told that you can get to the different video display instead of drawing a line across. Now, I haven't done that yet, but we'll get to that some other time maybe. This is just in brief, just taking a look at some of the screens. All the modes and everything look about the same. They're the same. There's another screen somewhere. I'm still looking for it for you. Right, well, I appear to have found it. Yeah, I found the thing that I didn't see before, which might have been there. As I say, I've got nothing to compare it to, but this screen. Right, well, this screen I can't really remember seeing before. You'd probably be able to fill me in whether it's new or whether it's not. I mean, I'm learning at the same rate as everybody else. So this is the first time the update's been done, and I'm not sure about having seen this before. And one thing I have noticed is instead of going up to see another row of icons beneath it, you go sideways, because the little dots here show you that there's an extra screen to your right, and you swipe sideways. Now I'm sure before we went upwards to get to the third row of icons. It's early days yet. We've only got the car back yesterday from the garage, so I'll have to check on things as we go along. There's supposed to be some form of update to the cruise control. I'm not sure whether that'll be noticeable. Maybe, maybe not. Well, we'll have to wait and see on that one. As I say, it's only yesterday since we got it back, so it's too early to say what's going on. We haven't really gone very far other than bringing it back from Mansfield. Okay, so if anybody else wants to put in anything that may be relevant to this update, please feel free to do so on the comments below, and it may help other people who are looking at this channel, and that's what we're all here for, to help each other. So thank you for watching, and bye for now. Bye for now.